30 years of engineering expertise. Over 5,000 successful installations world over. More than 70 product variants. Excellent service network, accessible across the country, with 24 hours turnaround time. The first Indian manufacturer to indigenously design and manufacture industrial vacuum cleaners. A leading solution provider of high-quality industrial cleaning and pollution control equipments. Dynavac, industrial vacuum cleaners and dust collection equipment. Dynavac Downdraft Tables are work tables coupled with dust collectors, which are user-friendly, sturdy, and reliable. Dynavac Downdraft Tables are available in various sizes and specification to suit the customer requirement. These tables are the best solution for dust-free environment and operator safety. This machine can be used in hand grinding, deburring, buffing, and component cleaning. Dynavac Downdraft Tables can be provided in both mild steel and stainless steel, depending upon the application. The range of downdraft tables varies from 3 HP to 7.5 HP. Standalone downdraft tables are portable, which consists of the blower, filter unit, and collection tray in a single housing. The size of the table can be varied according to number of operators and the job size. Downdraft tables with dust collectors are fixed machines equipped with inbuilt dust collector. Filtration unit, blower, and collection tank are separately placed away from work table and coupled together by ducts. Dynavac Downdraft tables are equipped with higher flow centrifugal blowers, which creates vacuum to capture dust from the surface of the work table. The impellers are designed and balanced to attain the maximum performance. Flame-proof motors are also provided as per the customer requirement. The filtration unit is equipped with high-quality, closely knit polyester cartridge filters for 100% filtration. These filtration units are perfectly engineered to maintain cab velocity. The size and number of filters varies with the machine range and the type of dust to be collected. Anti-static filters and flame-proof filters are also available. Dynavac Downdraft tables are provided with automatic filter cleaning system, which is also called as pulse jet system. This system provides high-quality pulse valves and air header to prevent choking of filters while in operation. The pulse jet system is operated with the help of timers. The collection tank of the downdraft table is uniquely designed to prevent spillage of dust escaping through the filters. The doors, with knob system, makes the setup 100% leak-proof and easy to handle. Dynavac, industrial vacuum cleaners and dust collection equipment. Your perfect solution for quick and efficient cleaning.